Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel. So these days there have been a lot of good stuff that are coming up in generative AI world, and there has been an application that has been using prompts to generate different kind of stuffs like video, images and whatnot, speech. So there have been different variations of generative AI that are coming up, and one such application that I found is generating a 3D image out of the prompts, that is out of the text. So that has been a great implementation of a particular model that is capable enough to generate a 3D image of a particular of a given text. So one such application that I'm able to show it over here is from the Latent Labs, that they have been using stable diffusion at the back end to generate a 3D image from a given text of prompts. You can see there's a prompt available on the Latent Labs website, and you can play around with different versions of stable diffusion. So right now they are just by default they are using stable diffusion 1.5 version. You can just pass this particular command, which is very default command that you have used, and you can use this command to generate a 3D image out of it. And you can see it has pretty much been able to develop an 3D image based out of this prompt that it has given. And I don't know the capability of this particular 3D image, like what are the use cases that we're going to be making up out of these 3D images. But definitely it's going to help some different artistic people to take up this kind of stuffs or generative AI applications, and they're going to use this particular AI applications to develop some different kind of 3D images, and you can utilize in some of their particular artistic worlds. Even the person who doesn't know much more about the art, they can also start utilizing this kind of generative models. So let's suppose I'm going to use stable diffusion version 2.1, and I'm going to specify some different prompts. So let me write an AI world with all the robots around the scientific cities. So let us generate this particular image with the given prompt. So I don't know, maybe I would be writing some different prompts. It might generate some weird images. This is the amazing application that you can see, right? So it's still generating, and you can see it has been able to generate some stuff, and it is able to produce some images which are not very clear to me, but definitely it is doing something, right? So it is able to pop the scientific cities. It is able to get some information from scientific stuff. So like you can see this kind of ball or some satellite stuff that is taking up, I don't know. Maybe it is also doing something different, but let's try some different prompt, right? So let me try an spider-man a spider-man getting over to the building. So let us generate this particular image. I think this should be very easy for it to do it. So let's just understand and let's visualize the things out, right? Okay, so you can see it is pretty much able to get me a Spider-Man who is getting over a building, right? It's pretty much amazing, right? I don't know whether this Spider-Man is getting in right pictures or not, but this seems to be a great starting point for this particular model, right? So I guess this is the amazing work that is being done here by the Latent Labs, and I think we will be able to utilize this further once it has been developed in a much greater environment, right? I mean, once it has built up in a much better environment. So this is just the start of this particular 3D image. Maybe in future we might get text to 3D videos or whatnot. Like there could be different variations that might be coming up, right? So this is the best time to be in AI world, right? So I hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial. I will keep exploring new stuffs and will bring you some new kind of videos and AI applications that are shooting up in the recent scenarios. Thank you.